Hello everyone, this is Gary from Big Spud and I hope you're really well today. Today, another video from my series, from my ebook, 50 Ways with Spuds, 50 recipes about potatoes that I absolutely love. If you don't want to wait for this recipe and all the others, I'll put the link down below. You can buy it from Amazon today, just £3.99. It's in the description. But today, I'm going to tackle one that could be seen as a bit controversial. Some people won't like it. It's a sprout and potato gratin. Yes, Brussels sprout, those little green balls of fart, as some people call them. Not to everyone's taste. Well, I'm going to do something with them today that I hope you're going to love. I'm going to pile them with cream, pile them with bacon. If you put cream and bacon with anything, that tends to convince people that they're worth having. So let's give them a try. I personally love Brussels sprouts. I wait for them to come into season almost as much as asparagus, almost as much as when Jersey Royals come into season. I love having sprouts. I've got a whole bunch of different recipes I use, which you can find on my blog down below. Again, I'll link you to all the recipes for Brussels sprouts that I've got. But today, a Brussels sprout potato gratin, a deep dish of crispy, moist potato, and the greens adding a nice earthiness, a bit of cream, so you've got luxury, and then the bacon for some salty savoury. The ingredients you'll need for this today are Brussels sprouts, about 200 grams, potatoes, about 500 grams, chicken stock cube, some whole grain mustard, about 150 millilitres of single cream, and some bacon. Now there's going to be quite a lot of chopping in this particular recipe. You're going to have to slice some potatoes finely, slice up the Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a bit small, a bit fiddly. So I like to get a friend in to help. In this case, my friend is Kitchen Whiz Pro Food Processor. My favourite tool in the kitchen for doing loads of chopping. I've left a review of it up here if you're interested in learning more about it. But if you've got a food processor, some slicing gadget, one of those guillotine type things that can slice things at a consistent thickness, I'd use one of them. You can obviously do this with a knife, no problem, but I'm quite lazy in the kitchen. But if I've got a toy that will do it, I will use that. And it would really help me out if you could watch this video all the way through to the end, because then you'll make up your own mind as whether the Brussels sprout is worthy in this dish. Let's try it out. I like it. Notice I'm not peeling, can't be bothered today. Let's get our potatoes on, and they're going to go on for about 5 minutes. Rather than just boiling them in ordinary water or salted water, I'm going to use a chicken stock cube. Then, once the potatoes have had 5 minutes, tip in the sprouts and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And you can either do a frying pan or an oven ready casserole dish that you can transfer later. Get the oven on 200 degrees, that's 400 Fahrenheit. You want to slice the onion and the bacon so they're roughly the same size, sort of matchstick size. Again, you can use a device like I did, like a food processor. Fry those off gently until they're coloured slightly. Then mix a teaspoon of the mustard with the cream, stir it together, and add that to the pan along with the sprouts and the bacon. Give everything a good coat to toss, and then pop it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden on top. You could do this under the grill instead if you prefer. Once it's golden and the potatoes are cooked completely through, take it out and give it a try. So I hope that recipe has changed your mind about the humble Brussels sprout. Please save our sprouts. Remember, a sprout is for winter, not just for Christmas. If you like that recipe, please hit the like button down below and share it on social media. Share it with your friends, that would be really appreciated. If you've got the time, hit the subscribe button. Even better, ring that little bell icon and you'll be told every time a new video is published. You don't want to miss any one of the 50 Ways with Spuds recipes. That's all from me today. Goodbye.